What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. And I know what you're saying, oh my god Shevon, how are you gonna do a review? You don't have the mouse. Oh my god Shevon, this is clickbait, blah blah. Chill, alright, just relax. So we all know that Logitech just announced their MX Master 3, right? Now this is like one of their biggest upgrades since the last 2 years. I'm a proud owner of my MX Anywhere 2S. And I love this thing, but I really wanted to upgrade because I think it's too small. Micro USB, you know, I have big hands, alright? I have big hands and it's too small. I just bought it like a couple months ago though. Now I know a lot of people are gonna be angry in the comments. Yo, I just bought my MX Master 5 days ago, 2 weeks ago, and now they just out of nowhere just released an MX 3. Like they forgot about the Anywhere 3S or anything. They scrapped this thing and they came out with the big bad boy for the PC. Now in this video I'm just gonna give my opinions and my thoughts about this mouse, and I'm really looking forward to it. Especially I'm looking forward to an MKBHD review because he's the best in the game. I know I'm not his little brother MKBSD or something like that, so those jokes are not gonna work. So yeah, let's jump into the video and let me show you guys what I think about this new mouse. I said earlier, the MX Master 3 is Logitech's most powerful mouse to date, featuring a completely redesigned wheel that can scroll 1,000 lines in 1 second, like a potential lifesaver for programmers or for guys like me who scroll on Reddit every day or even Twitter. Like, it's really easy to just literally just click one button and scroll infinitely throughout the threads. So the new wheel, made of Swiss stainless steel, features 90% faster scrolling speeds than previous generations, with magnets inside the body cutting down both friction and noise. So normally, if you could hear this, you hear how mechanical that sounds. Apparently the new mouse wheel, you won't hear the scrolling and clicking when you're scrolling through threads, which is interesting, but I kind of like the satisfaction of that scroll wheel. So let's see on that new MKBHD review. Users can still offer a haptic feel when scrolling with the option of a silent ratchet mode alongside the traditional experiences. Thanks to a 4000 dpi sensor, the MX Master 3 is also incredibly precise when tracking on any surface like glass. So on the device itself, Logitech has made the thumb wheel of the MX Master 3 larger than ever, as well as making it out of stainless steel, although total weight is still incredibly mobile at 141 grams. Now this gives easier access to the forward and back buttons, with a new hidden thumb button used to mimic the gesture controls for navigation, such as zooming and switching across screens and apps. And that's one of the reasons why I didn't really like the Logitech MX Master 2, because the back and forward buttons were just too tight on the side of the mouse. That's why on this one it's kind of easier to click, but I just thought the back and forward buttons was too small. So I really like the upgrade that they did on the MX Master 3. As for overall design, there's now an improved thumb area, and the button there is easy to locate visibly and by touch, as I mentioned earlier. The thumb wheel is larger too, and the forward and back buttons have been moved underneath to make them finding really easier. Even the positioning of the LED has been decided with ergonomics in mind. It's intended to never be blocked, so you could always see the status of your mouse. I'm not sure why Logitech thought that was important, but changes have been made. Also, the battery life is up to 70 days from a single charge from its USB-C port, with 3 hours usage possible after just 1 minute of charging, which is impressive. Now, all in all, the overall design, how it looks, I kind of like when the scroll wheel had this like gray and black finish. I like the diamond on the side usually, but this time it's kind of like a spiral design. It's not too bad. I kind of like it. I'm excited. The reason I don't have it with me right now is because Logitech has no idea that I have a YouTube channel. So please guys, like this video, share this video, let them know so I could get hands on with this mouse. And also, it's not available until October 1st, right? So I went on Amazon, I was trying to pre-order it. I can't even pre-order it right now. It's coming out October 1st, but big YouTubers like Justin TSC, a lot of big YouTubers already have this like in hand since last week, using it for weeks. So yeah, kind of jealous, but it will be fine. Let me know what you think about the new Logitech MX Master 3. I personally don't think it's like a huge upgrade from a MX Master 2, but it would probably be a huge upgrade from like a MX Anywhere 2S if you think it's too small for your hands. Like me, I think it's really, like personally, I think it's too small for my hands right now, and I need that upgrade. So let me know what you guys think. Will you be upgrading to the MX3? They also dropped this new keyboard called Keys or something like that, but I'm not too interested into that because I'm a mechanical key type of guy. You know, I love to hear the clicks. But yes, guys, let me know your thoughts down below. As always, love, peace, and tweaks. Signing out.